Karnataka government today announced a 14-day lockdown in the state, allowing only essential services to operate. The announcement comes after Karnataka reported the highest single-day surge of 34,804 cases and 134 deaths yesterday. The lockdown will come into effect starting Tuesday 9 p.m. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh has urged the public to strictly adhere to COVID-19 SOP laid down by the government, saying the COVID cases have risen in the state. He was inspecting oxygen plants at JNIMS and RIMS and COVID hospital at Bal Bhavan in Khuman Lampak. The Manipur Chief Minister is concerned by the escalating COVID cases in the state. Iramdam Kanba Apunba Lup Ikal and Social Upliftment Organization (SUO) performed annual Sajibu Kudol Tamba Igi Kongul Liba ritual at Lainingtho Sanamahi Kiong, located at Seloy Langmai Ching in Imphal East today. Khadi and Village Industry Board Vice Chairman Yumnam Nilamani, former AMJU President Wangkhemcha Samjai, Ikal Advisor Naurim Mema, Tangkhul Naga Foothills Organization Advisor Kasung Tennyson and TNFO Vice President RV Sun Zimik attended the rite. Wangkhem Constituency MLA Kesham Meghachandra today inaugurated an Inter-Village Road IVR at Karibam Lerak of Wangkhem Constituency. The Inter-Village Road was constructed under Line Department MG Narega. MLA Meghachandra said the estimated cost of the IVR is Rs 15,83,419. Sandrembi Gaming family extended monetary help of Rs 70,000 to the family of Sanabam Thoibi Chanu of Yaripok Jingtha under Andro. Sandrembi Gaming family organized a live charity stream on their Facebook page on April 24th to help Thoibi in her medical expenses. Everyone aged 44 and above in Britain will now be able to book their COVID-19 jabs starting today as the UK's National Health Service (NHS) vaccine programme expands further to younger age groups. Around 500,000 44-year-olds will receive a text message inviting them to get their jab through the National Booking Service, with England's top doctor urging people to come forward for the jab when they are invited, according to a media report.